In this video, I will show you how to enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft Pocket Edition on your phone. First, make sure your Minecraft is updated to version January 21st 80 or above by checking your App Store or Play Store. After updating, open Minecraft and go to Play. You can create a new world or edit an existing one. If you want to enable vibrant visuals in an existing world, click Edit. Then, scroll down on the left side and select Experiments. On the right side, scroll until you find Vibrant Visuals and Vibrant Graphics. Tap it, read the prompt, and press Turn on Experiments anyways, if you agree. Next, hit play to enter the world. Once inside, open Settings and scroll to Video on the left menu. On the right, find Graphics mode and change it to Vibrant Visuals. It may take a few seconds to apply. You can also select Custom mode to adjust shadow quality, clouds, reflections, bloom, and resolution to your liking. After adjusting, resume the game, and vibrant visuals will be active, making your Minecraft world look much better all without downloading anything extra. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.